Hi everyone, welcome to the April update for the Alitis Private REIT. Before we get started, I'd like to refer you to our disclaimer. Please remember that like other investments, the REIT has its own unique set of risks and benefits. We encourage you to familiarize yourself with the disclaimer in this presentation and with the offering materials before making an investment on behalf of yourself or your clients. I'll now turn things over to Mitchell Prothman, Senior Portfolio Manager and Head of Trading. Take it away, Mitch.
Thanks everyone for joining the April 2021 Alitis Asset Management Private REIT update. The returns this past month for March were in line with what we've experienced for the first few months of the year. We were up 1.24% through March 26, bringing the year-to-date performance for Class F to 3.92%. And the since inception numbers are 11.5% for Class F. The focus, as we know, for the Alitis Private REIT is rental properties. And so here's a brief update on those projects. The photo shown is for the Hatley apartment located in Colwood, BC. Regards to Pembina, we're currently sitting at 89.36% occupied. That's 252 of the 282 units leased. And we're targeting to get to our 97% occupancy threshold by the end of the second quarter, which will allow us to release the second tranche of CMHC funding. Elliott Road up in Kelowna, that's been an extremely strong month of March where 55 units were rented, bringing current occupancy or occupancy over the next couple months up to 154 units rented, or just shy of 80%. As far as the projects that are currently under construction, Eagleson, which is dubbed Eagle Point in Canada, is currently 80.5% complete. Occupancy has slipped slightly, and they're now targeting the end of May to have the first tenants in. Bridgewater in Winnipeg, we're sitting at 55.5% complete, with the anticipated occupancy remaining towards the end of this coming summer. Trenner in Langford, British Columbia, this was a commitment on behalf of the private REIT of $2,050,000, which was funded on December 22nd. As you can see with the progress here, they're moving on to the suspended slab. There'll be 5 stories of wood frame construction on top of. Overall, construction is progressing on schedule. Bishop Grandin, Alitis committed just shy of $5.2 million to this development, of which the Alitis Private REIT committed $1.9 million. Just over 1.1 of that was funded in our initial tranche on March 30th, with the balance to be called over the course of this month, April, and next month, May. As you can see, construction has already progressed very well in this. That is, bulk excavation is complete. The piles which go down to bedrock to secure the foundation have all been driven and cut. And overall, this project is off to a very strong start. Aurora up in Kelowna, this was just shy of a $3 million commitment for Alitis, of which the Alitis Private REIT committed $1.5 million. This was funded on March 5th of this year. Here, bulk excavation is complete. With that, that brings me to the conclusion of my update.
Thank you, Mitchell, and thank you all for joining us today. Complete information on the REIT is available in the offering documents, which outline the risks and benefits. And as always, please contact Chris Kyer for that and more information. Thanks, and have a great day.